Alright, so I drove it around the block and let it sit for a couple minutes to simulate driving to the store and running in, and this is what I come back to. So this is me giving it some gas, then I'll let it off. So it's idling about 600. Automatics, I'm pretty sure, that's correct for it. But as you can see, that was kind of a hard start with poor idling issues. Temperature gauge is in the middle, so that's good, I'm assuming. So, I don't know, hopefully you guys can give me some input.